This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
He didn't give them permission, so they didn't. Well, eventually, I think it was Peggy. Eventually, they're like, well, we're gonna do it. And they jumped the fence. Oh, damn. No, no, no. No! Ah! God damn it! Holy fuck! Yep. There was just an accident. I just barely fucking missed it. I gotta go back. I gotta turn around. The car just what? Yep.
Name before, but I wasn't sure who Khan was. I knew that I wasn't going to like him, though. Tell me about him, I said. It was about 15 years ago.
Oh, Jesus!
The psychopath proclaimed himself the new prophet of God in Assam or Sikkim or one of those places to the east. He said a gleaming blue angel presented him with revelations and divine proclamations. The most urgent being
went that way!
Khan
That way!
go out and
That
jam every white woman he could find and murder anybody who got in his way.
So, Ridge Riders, you can see, they're down in New Mexico in the second target area. Reed is talking, and he seems on fire today, so back down.
Oh my God!
Seth is getting ready to come inside. Seth's going to be my new back counter guy, so I can move my back counter guy out to municipal sales.
Right.
You know? But, oh shit, big accident. Woo, god damn.
Did you see it?
It was 2 feet in front of me.
busier than we have been a little bit, but not like it has been in past years. Like this time last year, like our schedules were like, oh! What the fuck? Are you good? Oh God! Are you okay? Oh.